ClarVista Medical is a clinical and commercial stage ophthalmic device company focused solely on the development of the HARMONI modular intraocular lens system so that we can help ophthalmologists navigate the increasingly demanding environment of cataract surgery. You know, typically innovation helps you navigate challenging times, but the fundamental design of the IOL hasn't changed in decades. And it's because of these designs we've come to tolerate some pretty significant clinical shortcomings, including unpredictable outcomes, complete inflexibility, general apathy towards the use of premium IOLs, to name just a few. And as we look forward, refractive outcomes are going to continue to be a challenge for us. That's because traditional IOLs tend to move too much during the healing process. Until we solve for predictable lens position, refractive outcomes will always be somewhat unpredictable. So phrases like refractive surprise, tilt and decentration, piggyback IOLs, they've all become commonplace in our collective narrative, but it doesn't have to be that way. That's what's inspired us to develop the HARMONI modular intraocular lens system to give ophthalmologists complete confidence in surgical outcomes. The HARMONI system features a base component and an optic component that work together in elegant simplicity. The base component provides a stable foundation within the capsular bag and enables versatile control by securely receiving the optic component using traditional surgical tools and techniques. Both components of the HARMONI system are made from the same hydrophobic acrylic polymer and are injected through a microinvasive clear corneal incision. Working in harmony, the system is intended to provide superior and more predictable first-time results, while also offering the flexibility to replace the optic component at any time for a new standard of optimized outcomes. The versatile design of the HARMONI system will feature a full portfolio of optic components, including a monofocal, toric, advanced multifocal, and an extended depth of focus option so that vision can be customized to the patient's needs. ClarVista Medical was founded in 2012. We quickly turned our attention to the development of a stable, replaceable, versatile, and easy-to-use modular IOL system. In 2013, we enrolled our first clinical trial. It was a multi-center randomized and controlled trial. And in 2014, we were able to complete one-year follow-up on that trial, and we're able to confirm that we hit the mark with the development of a stable, replaceable, versatile, and easy-to-use modular IOL system. In 2015, we received CE mark and ISO certification, began focused commercialization work, as well as began enrollment on a series of clinical trials to further explore the clinical benefits of the HARMONI system. Importantly, and among a very distinguished group of technologies, we were also selected as the top innovation in 2015 by the Ophthalmologist magazine. In 2016, we now have hundreds of patients enrolled in a series of clinical trials that will become the building blocks for a US IDE submission. And while full results won't be available until the fourth quarter of this year, what we're seeing is very consistent with earlier trials, which is best-in-class IOL performance combined with superior stability and unparalleled flexibility. I mentioned our first in-human study a little while ago. Let me tell you a bit more about that. As a reminder, we enrolled 31 patients in a multi-center randomized and controlled trial. All patients had bilateral cataract, so in one eye we put the HARMONI lens system, in the fellow eye we put a market-leading control IOL, and we're very pleased with the results of this study. Safety, device performance, and visual acuity were all exactly as we had expected and rivaled best-in-class IOL performance. We're also able to confirm that the HARMONI lens system is very stable during the healing process, as you can see here by our tracking of anterior chamber depth. And then by comparison, the control group IOLs moved 2 to 3 times as much as the HARMONI group and had a very high standard deviation of movement, with 5 IOLs moving more than 300 microns and some IOLs moving as much as 600 microns. We're very confident we can translate our stability advantage into superior first-time outcomes. Additionally, in this study, we were able to complete 5 optic replacements for the correction of residual error in the HARMONI group, and we're able to confirm that the base component provides a very stable foundation for doing this work, and that all patients' refraction significantly improved. Traditional IOLs are simply no longer able to meet the high expectations of patients and physicians. Physicians should be able to easily address a dissatisfied multifocal patient with a change of refraction or a change to a toric or a monofocal. You should be able to easily align the toric meridian without manipulation of the capsular bag, both intraoperatively and postoperatively. Physicians should be in a position to provide refractive care for the lifetime of their patient, no matter what change in lifestyle or pathology necessitates the need for a different refractive solution. And physicians should be in a position to be able to guarantee refractive outcomes and intervene on only those patients that require it. And you should be able to do all of these things without paying more or changing your routine. So in summary, the HARMONI lens system provides the perfect balance of IOL performance you can count on and the control and versatility that you crave. It's a technology that's been designed for the lifetime of the patient and is the perfect choice for all cataract patients. Simply stated, the HARMONI lens system has been designed to deliver improved outcomes without costing you more or changing your routine. Thank you very much for your kind attention. I look forward to chatting with you further at OIS and ASCRS. Thank you.